Rachel and I are gonna go on a walk. Oh, I just ran into the dam. Oh! This is my collection so far. Holly. Holly, stick, leaves, thistle, yellow, stick. Yeah.
I made up a game.
What's your game?
It's called Fling Random Objects into the Water using It's not working.
This is what I've collected so far. This is what Rachel has collected so far. Yeah! Time for scenography. So this is the scenography nature print I decided to go with. I'm using a rock to hold that leaf down so it doesn't blow away. I'm hoping it will look okay. I think the shadows kind of look like they're slanted because the sun's kind of lower in the sky today. But I don't know. We'll see what happens. I've never done this before. And here's all the other stuff I've got on our nature walk. I'm weighing them down with rocks so they don't blow away. We will see what happens. Look at this bug. Look at it. What is it doing? Ah! 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 It has... Ah! It's like sticking its butt up. What is it doing? I'm scared of it. It's really big. Ah! I'm gonna throw a rock at it. Ah! See how big it is compared to the rock? Like, look how big the rocks are compared to my hands. Yeah? Okay, now look how big that bug is. Ah! What is it doing? Where's it going? Why does it keep sticking its butt up like that? I'm afraid it's gonna like squirt poison at me. Creepy devil giant ant thing. I hate bugs. I hate them. What is it? Why is it? Ah. So I'm currently reading Percy Jackson and the Sea of Monsters. I freaking love Percy Jackson. I made a blog post on my blog about how my favorite books are for 12-year-olds, and this is definitely an example of that. Oh wait, am I still super zoomed in? Sorry. I think I started reading the Percy Jackson series when I was in high school or something like that. Like my senior year of high school. My sister had read them before me, and I just picked them up one day and I fell in absolute love with them, and they're just really fun and I like them a lot. So I'm happy of them. I'm still waiting for this to finish. It got a little bit kind of cloudy-ish. So I think it might take longer than usual to expose correctly, but yep. So far it's been about 5 minutes and the blue fabric is already starting to fade. I realized that some of the shadows are kind of weird looking, like the pine cone one is just this big blob, and then all of the leaves on the holly, or it's not holly, but those leaves make weird shadows too. But I guess since it was my first try, it's more like an experimental one. But we'll see how it turns out. Boo. It didn't really work. I think it might have been because the sun was weird today. Ugh. Boo. Oh well, I tried my best.